In this comprehensive guide, I'll walk you through the steps to effortlessly clear your YouTube history on both the mobile app and desktop website. It's crucial to follow along attentively till the end to avoid any missteps. Firstly, I'll demonstrate how to clear YouTube history on the mobile app, which shares a similar process on both Android and iOS devices. Start by opening the YouTube app and ensure you're signed in your account. Then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner, followed by the gear icon to access settings. From there, select Manage All History, where you'll see your YouTube search and watch history listed. To delete specific items, tap the cross icon next to them. Alternatively, you can delete multiple items at once by selecting Add to Delete and choosing either to delete history for today or within a custom time range. On the desktop website, navigate to youtube.com and sign in, then click on History in the left sidebar menu and choose Manage All History. From here, you can delete individual items or clear history for today, a custom range, or all times. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button to show your support. Thanks for watching.